As you can see, I'm a Black woman artist, and I'm an older artist too. So I can tell you that times have changed, but have they really? Have times really changed? When I grew up, the truth about reality, or so we were told was reality, was found in books. And if you're around my age or even younger, many of you will know about these Dick and Jane books that we were taught to read from that was about three young white kids who had a dog and a cat. And as I read their story, and I read other stories that were in the library in the school that I went to, a story about who I was and about who my family was missing. So when I became older, or when I became an artist, I really wanted to tell my story about my experience of the world and about who I was in my time and place, in my time and space. So I began to use history and memory and the act of remembering as a way to create openings to make visual narratives. And that's essentially what I do. I create visual narratives. Among other things, I make art using photographs, images, including drawings and text, to make prints and artist books. I make art primarily to connect with myself and to connect the environment around me to me. I use it to explore my voice. I create narratives, and I find that by using my voice, other people are able to connect to their voice and relate to the narratives, and they find it very, very useful and enlightening. Yes, making art definitely matters. It helps, it brings value to the culture, it brings value to our environment, and it combines many aspects that we don't normally think about during our day or during our life. So making art definitely creates a very positive environment, for us to use. My piece, Women Bring the People Who Build, Nations Rise and Fall. I heard Abby Lincoln give an interview in which she said, women are special, or women bring the people. And it really resonated with me. And I thought, she's right. Women do bring the people. We are the backbone of the economy of the country. If we weren't here, there wouldn't be a nation. We are the ones who bring the people, who create and procreate and bring forth what we need in our society. At this moment in time, it's really important for women to really speak up, because if they don't, the patriarchy will take over and tell us what we can do and what we cannot do. And it's important for women to be able to say that what they will and will not do with their bodies. It's important for us. We count and we bring a lot of value to the culture and to the nation. So it's really important that we begin to see things very clearly and speak up about what's going on and to say what it is we want to happen. In working on my projects, on my visual narratives, I begin to see how the intersections of race, gender, sexual orientation work together to create deeper and deeper levels of oppression that we are not even aware of in our daily life is there, but it's there and we experience it. So my question, one of the reasons why I want us to keep asking questions about who we are and where we are is one of the things is that women are generally are not asked their opinion on things. I mean, my mother was a very, very quiet person, but she was very clear in how she saw the world. And she was very clear in that even though she didn't have much money, she wanted to support any cause that would help to create to give more credence to social justice issues and make visual more realities about history.